All right, so this is a 2020 Ford F550 crew cab, four-wheel drive, diesel with 89,000 miles. It's kind of a do-all truck. It has a 9-foot utility body with a aluminum Tommy gate, along with a VMAC engine-driven air compressor. Extremely expensive setup new. Tommy gate works well. A spray-in bed liner inside and on the tops. And then you have this steel rack for whatever you want to put in it. Easily removable if you don't want it. The lift's rated at 1,300 pounds. You have your air reel in here. We'll fire that up in a minute. Tires are all matching. Rears are probably 2/3 tread. Fronts are Continentals. They're probably about the same. Truck's extremely nice. It had a black vinyl wrap on the entire body. We left it on the front of the bed for protection, and we left it on the roof. It does have a couple spots peeled on the roof, but it looks good. You can't tell from the ground. There's really no bumper dings or dents or scrapes anywhere. You know, the bed, even the doors on the bed were wrapped. So it's been protected well. Again, we left it on the front. I think it looks good. Vinyl interior, power windows, locks, mirrors. It does have cruise, Bluetooth, AC, backup camera. 89,427 miles. Have your auxiliary switches. We just had the truck serviced, inspected. It's 100% ready to work. To run the VMAC, you have to set the e-brake. Truck revs up. Little pipe rack swings out. Ready to run your jackhammer, whatever you got. Backup camera.